Hello everyone, I hope all of you are great, doing well, attending your classes regularly, learning a lot. Why we are having this video? In this video, as you can see, I am going to talk about your summer internship. Myself Abhay Grover, I am your summer internship coordinator. Now, you might be wondering that it is not a summer, so why we are talking about summer internship so early? See, summer internship is a part of your curriculum. It is not optional thing. It is mandatory part of your curriculum. Everyone doing the degree has to undergo under summer internship before completing your degree. Right? Doing summer internship has ample of benefits, how it will help you in your future degrees, how it will help you in placements. We will talk about in detail in our upcoming videos. I will keep on guiding you by step on step. Our today's objective through this video is to let you aware that whichever degree, the names which are mentioned, you are doing, you are supposed to do the summer internship next year in 2022, usually in the month of June or July, starting in the month June and ending in the month of July year 2022. An MBA student, you are having a modular. When you are supposed to do your summer internship after completing your fourth modular, right now your second modular has started yesterday, I believe, right? And then you will have third and you will have fourth one. After your fourth modular and before the start of your fifth modular, in between June, July, next year you are supposed to do in summer internship. MCOM students, after completion of your first year, same is with the MBA also, 4 modular, or after completion of your first year you are supposed to do summer internship. For undergraduate student, it can be BCom student, BBA student, right? Including all specialized BCom, BBAs, BBA honor, BCom honors, right? You are also supposed to do summer internship. When you are supposed to do summer internship? After your second year completion, you are supposed to do summer internship. As far as the integrated students are concerned, they are required to go summer internship twice. Once they go for summer internship in the second year, after second year, as a UG student, and after third year of their completion, they go on summer internship as a PG student. Now, what is the difference between going on a student as a UG student or PG student? I will also, that takes a difference on if you are arranging a company. What I mean is, let's say there is a company, XYZ Limited company is there. You arrange your internship by yourself and you wanted to go into this company for internship. First, we will evaluate whether you are a UG undergraduate student or you are a PG student. Some companies would be allowed in case of UG students but would not be allowed in case of PG students. What are those rules? Again, my point, we will talk about all these things in future. Hold your horses, hold all of your doubts you have related to that, hold all those things. This video is just to make you aware that the next year, because we have floated some of the opportunities of couple of students like Trident summer internship opportunity was done, or the Grow Junction opportunity was done. Student was not aware that why they are supposed to do. Whenever we float any opportunity to you, it is not mandatory for a summer internship right now that you whether you are going for that or not. But point is, as per the placement policy, registration is going on. Do read it very carefully. We are going to have a placement session also very soon, placement policy registration. There we will clarify few of your doubts related to those things. But the point is that you are supposed to do summer internship as a part of your curriculum. It is not optional. Like live project is optional. Live project is though a need of an hour. It is a requirement of an industry also. So more practical exposure you have, the more it will help you. But again, it is optional. Like that, summer internship is not optional. It is a part of your curriculum and you are supposed to do it next year. So be ready for that. One thing. Second is, I have some links, right? Which form student is required to fill before and during the summer internship of 2022. There are few of the things which you are required to do. One first and the foremost important form is training arrangement form. This form has all its own advantages, right? All these things. So you are required to first fill the training arrangement form. What is the link of this form? I will show you in the next slide. Then second form is company detail form. When this form is required, let's say as I told you in the previous slide, let's say you have found one company for yourself that you want to do internship in this, the company agreed. Now you need to have the approval from the university and also you want to get the NOC from the university. For that you will need to fill company detail form. We will verify your company and will issue you NOC. For this again the link will be given to you very soon. Right now it is little early. By the next month or by the January we will give you the company detail form. If anyone found the company before that and want the approval, you can send me a mail. We might can open the link earlier also. Then the third link is confirmation. We will let you know what confirmation form is. For now, understand these are some of the forms which you are supposed to fill before starting and during your internship. And last, if anyone wants that you want to have your internship arranged through the university. Arranged through the university means that we will be calling a company over here in the university. You need to clear, if they are having a test, you need to clear the test. If they are not having a test, might be having GD or interview, you need to clear that GD or interview to get the assistance, right? To get selected through the university side. Then you are supposed to have registered under placement services. Placement registration is going on. First phase is going on, right? For that we have planned a placement session also. Make sure you all attend that session so that your doubts are clear, right? First, as the link I said is first link which you are supposed to fill is training arrangement form. This is the training arrangement form link, tiny URL SI arrangement form 2022, or by any scanner application you can scan this QR code and this form will open. Not from the LPU Touch. Do not open this from the LPU Touch. You are not supposed to pay something. It is not supposed to be paid or something. It is simply a form which will open once you scan this QR code through any of the applications like Paytm or other scanner application. Once you do that, the training arrangement form will open. Now, why this form is required? How to fill this training arrangement form? For that we have another video with you. The link of that video is also given in the description of this video. The link of this form is also given in the description of the video. It is my advice, strongly recommended, that watch the video before filling this link. Is it mandatory to fill this link? Yes. All the students who are supposed to do summer internship in 2022 are required to fill this form. Any form if you do not fill, for us you are not doing the internship. If you are not doing the internship, right, you have to do it later on. So why to procrastinate anything which is required to be done as early, right? So all the best for now, right? Watch the video how to fill the training arrangement form, right, and then fill the form as soon as possible. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Take care.